Hey everyone, do you ever wonder how much time you spend on your iPhone? If you're curious to know the answer, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a detailed breakdown of how much time you spend on your iPhone, which apps you're using the most, and much more. First, let's go into the iPhone settings. Now we're in the iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we see the battery option. Here you can see the last 24 hours or the last 10 days of the battery usage on your iPhone. Let's tap on the last 10 days. You can see my average time on my iPhone per day. You can also see my screen time varies depending on whether it's a weekday or a weekend. Now, if you want to get a closer look at which apps you're using the most, you can tap on Show Battery Usage. Here you'll see a list of apps and how much time you've spent on each app on a given day. This will give you a clearer idea of where most of your time is going. If you want to even more details, you can go to Screen Time in the settings. Here you'll get a weekly report of the amount of time you spend on your iPhone, what apps you're using, and much more. But I find going into the battery settings is a quick and easy way to get an overview of how much time you are spending on your iPhone. It's a great way to keep track of what you're using your iPhone for and what to make sure you're not spending too much time on. So that's how you can check how much time you're spending on your iPhone. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.